Assalamu alaikum everyone. I welcome you all in the class. Today we will take a view about the advantages of computer. Okay. And diary is page number 4 learn. So first of all, I will take a view of these topics. Now I will mark the questions at your book. So you have to take your book with you. Okay, let's start our today's topic. Today we are going to read about the advantages of the computer. It means what are the characteristics a computer has? What are the benefits of a computer? So let's start our today's lesson. So we use computer to make our work easy, stable, quickly, speedily, and correctly. So in this way, we can define some advantages of computer. Here are a lot of benefits and characteristics of computer. I have listed some of them. So first of all, computer is all about the making things, doing things very quickly. It means if we do our task, for example, if I ask to you to solve a sum of multiplication like this, so you people will take a lot of time to do that because we human beings are unable to do that much complex task in a very short time, but a computer can do it very quickly, right? A computer just will take a few seconds to do this big multiplication question. And if I ask you to solve this, you will take a time of like 5 to 10 minutes to do that. So in this way, computer can facilitate us to do our task very quickly in a short time. Very quickly in a very short time. I will mark it later, but first of all, you have to take your idea about the speed. Okay. So let's move further. Accuracy. As per example, as the last example, if I ask you to do that multiplication question, you may have some mistakes in that question while doing that question. For example, so I will take the answer, take this answer. अगर आपने इस तरह का आंसर निकाल लिया है, so it means you are doing it in a wrong way. But computer never can do a mistake because it do it work very accurately, very efficiently, and it always make a correct result. But we human being can do a mistake while doing these multiplication or while doing task like this. Okay. So accuracy means the correctness of the result. Okay, let's move further. Diligence. We human beings can feel hectic and can feel panic while doing the same task again and again, or while doing the complex questions like this. If I ask you to solve the 10 questions like these, you will feel hectic, you will feel tired. Okay, but the computer cannot feel tired. Computer never tires and any work cannot make it hectic because computer is a smart machine. It follows our instruction and it have to do the task again and again if the user saying it to do that. So diligence means computer never feels tired, never feels hectic, and it cannot say no to us. It will not say no to us, right? So diligence means that computer never feels tired or never feel hectic. Okay? For example, if I ask you you people to do 10 questions like these, like this, you will feel hectic, you will feel tired, and you are getting bored to do the question again and again. But but when you are using a computer never get tired or never feel hectic, and it cannot say no to us. If you are saying to computer to solve that question again and again, for example 10 times, 20 times, computer never say no to us because computer never feel hectic. Computer is a smart machine, it can do the same task again and again. Okay?
Teacher, can you teach us in Urdu?
Okay, I will explain. So now the next characteristic or advantages of computer is storage. Storage means that computer saves the result for later use. And you don't have to do the task again and again. You can use your previous result. For example, अगर आपने ये क्वेश्चन किया है मैथ्स का, right? So the computer saves its output for you, so you can use it later, right? ये वाला क्वेश्चन जो है, ये अगर आपको बार बार करना पड़े तो अगर आप खुद करेंगे तो ये आपको बार बार करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन अगर आप कंप्यूटर के थ्रू कर रहे हैं तो कंप्यूटर इसकी आउटपुट को, इसके रिजल्ट को आप लोगों के लिए सेव कर लेगा. ठीक है? तो जब आपको इसकी दूसरी दफा जरूरत पड़ेगी तो आपको कोई मसला नहीं होगा और आपको ये दोबारा करना नहीं पड़ेगा. सही है? Okay, in this way we can define the storage. So the next is versatility. Versatility means multitasking. इसका मतलब ये है कि कंप्यूटर एक ही टास्क, बहुत सारे टास्क को एक दफा कर सकता है. Can do many tasks at a same time. ठीक है? कंप्यूटर जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा वर्सेटाइल होता है और ये एक ही बहुत सारे टास्क को एक साथ कर सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू कैन क्रिएट डॉक्यूमेंट विद द कंप्यूटर. आप इस पे कोई डॉक्यूमेंट बना सकते हैं. ठीक है? आप इस पे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप इस पे ड्रॉइंग. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन से द कंप्यूटर इज वर्सेटाइल बिकॉज ये बहुत सारे काम एक साथ कर सकता है और तरह तरह के काम कर सकता है. ठीक है? मल्टीटास्किंग भी आ जाती है इसमें और वर्सेटिलिटी भी आ जाती है. Means it can do many types of tasks for us. For example, we can do painting on it, we can make a document on it. So these are some examples. So in this way, our advantages of computer topic has been end. Okay? Now you have to mark 6 questions. Okay, 6th class, I am going to share my screen now so you can mark your answers. Okay? So here, this is the topic we have read today, and in this place you have to write the question on your book that what is speed. Okay, and at this place you can write that what do you mean by accuracy. So yeah, and at this place, what do you know about the diligence? Yeah, what is diligence? Okay, and the next question will be speed, storage. What is storage? What is storage? Okay, and the next question will be what is versatility of a computer? Okay. हाँ जी, डिविजन्स में आप ये वाला पैराग्राफ कर सकते हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विल बी द व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट द स्टोरेज ऑफ कंप्यूटर. सो you can do it. Computer have large storage capacity. A computer can store very large amount of data. Zunera, a large building is required to store thousands of books, but a computer can store easily thousands of books in its memory. ठीक है. और versatility में भी आप इसका ये कर सकते हैं that it can do many of tasks, variety of tasks for you people. For example, drawing pictures, writing story, watching games, like this. Okay. In this way, you can prepare your long question, that advantages of using computer, and also your short questions as well. Like you have 5 short questions in today's lesson and 1 long question. It will be easy for you people to prepare in this way. जी समझ आ गई है सबको?
Yes.
वेरी गुड. अच्छा जी, चलें
No,
ठीक
no.
है. मैं अब आपको
No.
जी बेटा नहीं समझ आई आपको बताएं. If you have any question, you can ask me right now. Otherwise, class will be end in just 5 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
So you people don't have any question. अगर आपके पास क्वेश्चन है तो मैं आपसे पूछ लूं.
No, ma'am.
चलें. उसबा अपना माइक ऑन करें और मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर दें. उसबा, कैन यू हियर मी? ओके. तहरीम अरशद. तहरीम अरशद. Nobody is there. Okay जी, उमामा खलील, उमामा आप बताएं, माइक ऑन करें अपना, क्वेश्चन का आंसर दें।
जी मैम।
अच्छा, आप मुझे बताएं कि डिलीजेंस क्या होती है? मामा बताएं डिलीजेंस क्या होती है? Okay, now the time has been end and time is running out. So
Allah Hafiz.
you have to learn your lesson very carefully. Allah
हेलो, ये कौन सी क्लास है?
ये 6th क्लास है।